Click the subscribe button and click the bell icon for all the new updates from our channel. Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today's recipe is a Christmas special snack. This is sweet kulkul. Christmas is around the corner and this is one of those recipes we prepare during Christmas. So into a large bowl, take some semolina and pour some ghee into it. Give it a mix and keep it aside so the semolina will absorb all the ghee and get bloomed. And then add in the wheat flour, powdered sugar, some salt and a pinch of baking powder and mix it. Normally kulkul is made with all-purpose flour, but I made it a bit healthy using wheat flour. Just rub all the ingredients with your fingers and I'm adding water and milk mixed. I'm not giving any particular quantity for the liquid. You need to add little by little and make this into a dough. Now add some ghee, or also called as clarified butter. Add that into the dough and knead it really well. Now keep that aside for 5 to 10 minutes. Now there are different methods and different tools available to make the kulkul design. And here I am showing you 3 methods. The first one is with fork. So take a small ball shaped dough and take a fork and place it upside down and press the dough on top of the fork and slowly roll it back. Now you got a stripe design. Now this is one method to make the kulkul. The second method is using the stainless steel frying strainer. Take the strainer and keep that also upside down and press the dough on top of it and slowly roll it. You got the kulkul design. And the third method is with the real kulkul mold. And this is very easily available in all the supermarkets nowadays, especially during Christmas, it's very well available. So take the mold and press the dough on top of it and slowly roll it. The perfect kulkul design is formed. And after making each small kulkul, don't forget to seal the back, otherwise it will open up while frying. And the one more method I have seen to make the kulkul is using a comb. But I don't really prefer using that method because even though they are using an unused fresh comb, it looks so disgusting. And I really don't feel like eating those kulkuls. So please do try out those methods which I've told you in this video and make these kulkuls during our Christmas. And sealing the edges of the kulkuls is a really important step. Once you make all the kulkuls, pour some oil in a pan and heat it up and fry these kulkuls. Keep the flame from low to medium or else it will get darker outside and it will not really get cooked inside. And once you fry these kulkuls, you can roll them in some powdered sugar. That is just optional because we have already sugared the dough while making it. These kulkuls taste really delicious even without sugar coating. So do try out this Christmas special snack, Kulkuls. Leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot. Watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel.